Starting exercise 12.4 everyone. So look here, this is the addition we have to do. So first part is 3 minutes 45 seconds and 6 minutes 35 seconds we have to add. So column wise you have to write one side minute and one side seconds. So first one is 3 minutes, so it will come in minute column. 45 seconds, so 45 will come here. 6 minutes, so 6 will come in the minute column, and 35 seconds, so 35 will come in the second column. Now add 5 plus 5 10, 0 1 carry, 4 plus 3 7 and 1 8. But you know 80 second we can write like 60 second plus 20 second, because 60 second is equal to 1 minute. So this one, right, 60 second we cannot give the carry here, right? So we have to convert into the minute, then 1 we will give carry to the minute column, and plus 20 seconds, so 20 second we can write here, right? If second will come more than the 60, right, less than 60 is fine, then we can write here completely. If more than 60 is coming, then we have to give here the minute. So what will come? 1 carry here, 6 plus 3 9 and 1 10. So answer is 10 minutes and 20 seconds. Look, one here, this one, 12 minutes 50 seconds and 20 minutes 45 seconds. So you can see here, when we are adding 50 plus 45, what will come? 95. This is again more than the 60. So we can divide into the two parts, 60 plus 35. So this 60 we can convert into 1 minute, and 1 minute we can give the carry. Now what is left here? 35 seconds. So 35 will come here. So now add 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3. So what is the time? 33 minutes and 35 seconds is the answer. Keep this thing in mind when you are doing this one addition. If answer is coming here more than the 60, right? More than 60 is coming, then we have to break into the two parts, 60 plus that much, right? Whatever is there. So 60 we will convert into 1 minute, and 1 minute we will the carry. Now take this part also, third one, 7 hours 37 minutes and 3 hours 45 minutes. Hours and minutes, right? Now add 7 plus 5. Look here, I am explaining here at the side also. 37 plus 45, but when you will add, what will come? 82 seconds, right? Sorry, here what will come? This is the hour one, na? So here minute will come. This is minute. I am changing here only. This is minutes. This is also minute, right? And here that 60 minute this is, so we have to convert into 1 hour, right? Because this is here hours and minute. So this here 1 hour I am giving, fine. So what is this? 82. Again here in minute case also we can write up to the 60, right? Less than 60 we can take here, and if that is more than 60 we have to convert into the hours. So we can divide this one, 60 minute and 22 minute. So this 60 is equal to 1 hour. So 1 hour we are giving, and what is left here? 22 minutes. So 22 I am writing here. So now calculate 7 plus 3 10 and plus 1. This is 11 hour. So like this you can do. Look here, one more. This is 6 hours 55 minutes, and this is 4 hours and 5 minutes, right? So 55 plus 5, what will come? 60. Is that 60 is coming? But you know in 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. I told you na that if 60 will come, or if more than 60 will come, so we can give 1 hour or like this in the carry. So 60 hours minute is equal to 1 hour. So we are giving the 1 carry here, and here what we will write? 0 0. 6 4 10 and plus 1 11. So how many hours are there? 11 hour and 0 minute, right? Now question number B is subtract 25 minutes 15 seconds from 30 minutes 20 seconds. Now this is the subtraction. Now look here what to do. One column is of minute and one for the seconds. Right here from, it means that back one numbers we have to write first. So 30 minutes, so 30 will come in the minute. With 30 how many seconds? 20. So 20 we have to write here. 25 minutes will come in the 25 minutes column. 15 second will come here. Now subtract. You can see here 20 second and here 50. Easily we can subtract. 0 cannot subtract, so 0 will take borrow from here. So 2 is giving, this is 10. 10 minus 5 5, and here left 1 1 minus 1 0. Here is 5. Now 0 cannot subtract 5, so 0 will take borrow from here, right? So this is 10. 10 minus 5 5, and here 2 left, 2 minus 2 0. What is the answer? 5 minutes and 5 seconds. This is take second part, 12 minutes 45 seconds from 20 minutes and 5 seconds, right? So after the from, that we have to write first minute column, second column. Right here 20 minute, this is 5 seconds. 0 5 I am writing because this is the 5 seconds. Here 12 minutes, then write down 45 seconds. Now from 5 seconds we cannot subtract the 45, right? So we have to take borrow from here. This is 0. 0 cannot give the borrow. So 0 will take borrow from here. So 2 is giving here. This is 10 and this is 1. Now this will give borrow and this is what left. 0 is give here 10. 10 minus 1 9. Right? Here 20 is giving borrow. So here 19 left. Okay. Now minute is giving borrow to seconds. So in 1 minute, if 1 minute we are taking here, so 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. It means we are taking here 60 seconds. Right? Already we are having the 5 seconds. So now 60 plus 5 what will come? How many seconds we are having now? 65. Now subtract. 5 minus 5 0. 6 minus 4 2. Here 9 minus 2 7 and 1 minus 1 0. So what is the answer? 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Right everyone? So this is not only the simple subtraction or addition. You have to do practice a lot for this also. Right? Keep the concept in your mind. Now last part I am taking. This is 26 hours 30 minutes from 42 hours and 10 minutes. Right column of hours and minute in hour from what is there? 42 10 minutes. So right here 42 in hour and 10 in the minutes. We have to subtract 26 hours and 30 minutes. So 26 in hour and 30 minutes here. So you can see here 10 is there. 10 cannot subtract 30. Right. So what we have to do? We have to take borrow. Borrow from where? From here in this column, from R column. So if R we are taking the borrow. So in 1 R can give the R only. Right. But that we want in minutes. So 1 hour we are taking and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. It means we are taking borrow of the 60 minute. So when we are taking 60, earlier we are having 10. So 60 plus 10, how many minutes we are having now? 70. Now subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 3, 4. Here 2 given the borrow, what is left? 1. 1 cannot subtract 6. So 1 will take borrow from this 4. So here is 11. 11 minus 6, 5. And here 3 left. So 3 minus 2, 1. So what is the answer? 15 hours and 40 minutes. Fine everyone. Please do this one practice. That how we are taking the borrow. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So it means we are taking the borrow of the 60 minutes. Fine everyone. So please do practice of the same and complete your work. Thank you.